Body camera footage from Illinois captures officers responding to a complex domestic dispute involving mental health crisis and marital property. A wife reports her husband, Christopher Hall, experiencing a manic episode, has taken her jewelry box containing premarital heirlooms. Officers must navigate the intersection of mental health intervention, property rights, and potential criminal charges.
Hi, buddy.
What's the boy?
What's that?
What's the boy?
Where's the boy?
What's the boy?
I don't know. Hi.
Hi.
You must love the police, huh?
He loves the police and firemen. Firemen are his favorite, but...
Hi. Well, firemen are better.
What?
It's a safer job. What's going on?
My husband's been having a manic episode for about 2 weeks now,
Okay.
and he's not taking his meds. And I came home and he stole my jewelry box.
Okay.
Like, my jewelry box is gone. Like, all of my
he have,
sentimental stuff.
Does he have a drug habit by chance?
He has in the past, but the last 3 years he's been totally clean.
You think
I
he's
think
relapsed?
he's doing it in spite. He's accusing me of sleeping with the neighbor, which we've only lived here for about 8 months. It's the guy that he talks to over there all the time.
Okay.
And I've literally only just said hello to this man.
What's the boy?
And he goes over there and talks to him all the time. And he was asking me today if I was having an affair with him. And I was like, when he said his name, I was like, I don't even know who you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
And then I remembered, and I was like, well, you're being so rude. Like, I've never done anything. And he's like, you need to pack your stuff and leave. And I've been working all day.
So you think he took your stuff out of spite rather than maybe going to pawn it for maybe some street drugs?
He does
or
go
something?
to pawn things. So,
Okay.
I just don't know what else to do. Like, I mean, that's not his
how
stuff,
long have
it's
you guys
mine.
been married?
7 years.
Okay, so
He's never stolen anything from me before.
the way the law sees it, because it's mutual, it's
Yeah.
marriage, it's
But it's
mutual
like
property.
my grandma's
I understand
stuff.
that. Well, here, what we
I
can
don't
do.
know how else to get him to stop. Like, he is on like this manic escapade.
What's he doing?
He's
Just like not being himself, or
yeah, he's screaming. He's got delusions. He hears voices. He's not taking his medications like he should.
Okay. Does he come home every night?
For like 2 or 3 hours, and he sleeps, and then he leaves.
Okay.
So there's nothing you guys can do. Like, I can't press any charges against him.
We can't do anything. We can't do anything again as far as the jewelry goes. Here, I'm going to give you the best advice I possibly can. Okay. As far as the jewelry goes, because it's mutual property, marriage property, can't do anything about that. But the next time he comes home, if you think that he's having some sort of a manic episode,
They don't take him because he's not being threatening or violent.
and that's what I was going to ask next. If he's not being threatened or violent, they're going to come, they're going to talk to him, and then, yeah, yes,
It's stuff that's not his. It's stuff that I had before I was married.
I know. Here, if it was a neighbor, if it was a cousin or something like that, then we'd be able to do something about that. Because it is marital property, we can't do anything about that. But we might be able to help him with his manic situation. But we have to know where he's at. We have a car description right now.
Why?
You're worried about his mental status because he's not been taking his medication. You said he's not threatening, he's not violent, which is good. And I would
he
hate
yells and he screams and stuff, but he's not like physically tried to do anything or said that he's gonna harm me.
It's more of a psychological thing.
Yeah.
So when he comes home and if he's acting like that, your best bet is to call us. And we'll come over here. We'll talk to him.
Yeah, but he won't go anywhere.
So you've had the medics called on him before?
This has happened so many times, and they never take him unless he agrees or if he does something unsafe.
Yes.
It's just a nightmare.
As far as the relationship goes, is it something you guys are going to work on, or is it
I don't
something
even
that's
know.
going to?
Like, this time, his doctor prescribed him a steroid like 2 weeks ago because he was having back problems, and we didn't know that would cause someone to have psychosis or mania that has this disorder, and we didn't realize until after he had done taking the 6 days.
Well, there's also what's called an involuntary committal that you can do as a spouse because you know him better than I don't. I don't know who this guy is.
Yeah.
Okay. You can also petition the hospital to take him involuntarily. Okay, but that's going to be based off of what you
that's
tell
only
them.
if he says he's threatening or something, right? I mean,
Well,
I've gone through that before, and they won't just take him.
Even an involuntary, they won't take him. Here, I don't know where the boy is.
Like the car.
I wish I had a better answer for you. But if the medics aren't going to take him, I'm guessing he knows what to say to them.
Yes. He manipulates her.
Okay. But here, if he's having a manic episode and you record him having a manic episode, something that he can't explain because he's just banging his head against the wall or doing whatever, then when the medics show up, you show that to him. Okay? I have to tell you, this is a two-party consent state, so in order to record him, you have to say, I'm going to record you. Okay? Just to cover your own rear end.
The husband has allegedly been manic for 2 weeks, experiencing delusions and refusing medication. Under Illinois law, theft between spouses is complicated by marital property doctrine. Property acquired during marriage belongs to both partners equally, making criminal charges unlikely. However, premarital and inherited property may retain separate character. The officer explains they cannot pursue theft charges due to marital property laws. Previous attempts at involuntary psychiatric commitment failed because the husband doesn't meet the imminent danger threshold, a common gap in mental health crisis response. Officers check pawn shop records and discover Christopher Hall pawned 4 rings for $280. While this provides evidence of conversion, criminal prosecution remains unlikely given the marital relationship.
Do you work right now? Or are you full-time mom?
No, I work all the time. I'm the breadwinner.
Okay.
I can't believe there's nothing that can be done that he stole something from me.
It's marital property. We deal with it all the time.
Even though it's like stuff that I had before we were married.
Still the same thing. Once you guys are joined in marriage, then it's considered marital property. Hopefully he's just holding it just for whatever reason.
I think he's going to pawn a lot of it because he doesn't have any money right now. Oh, God.
Most people that do that, I'd be more concerned about maybe them dipping more towards street drugs again.
Yeah.
When he was using, what was he using?
Cocaine.
Okay. My biggest concern...
I mean, if you guys have a lookout for his cars, are you even going to pull him over or anything? Like, what do you do?
Here, he
shouldn't be driving, so...
He took property that's marital property, so I can't do anything for the theft. Okay? He didn't strike you or anything like that, so it's not a domestic battery. So we really don't have it. I mean, we could do we could stop him and check his mental status, but we got to find him first. And I do have his plate. He drives a 4Runner, right? Okay. We can look around, see if our license plate readers are hitting anywhere. Maybe I'll check. Does he drink? He
hasn't drank in about 2 years, but he used to drink a lot.
Did he frequent any bars around here?
We used to live in Lombard, and he would go down there. I don't know what he's been doing the last couple days.
Okay. I mean, I could check the bars in town. Maybe he's up at Caps or Mahoney's or something. Maybe he's in there.
He never went to Caps or Mahoney's.
No.
I don't even know.
Here, what time does he usually get home? All hours. He doesn't have a job?
He works as a handyman, but he's been doing his own thing, but he hasn't.
Okay.
He's just not here ever.
When he comes home next, and if he's having an episode, like I said, unfortunately you got to tell him you got to record. You got to tell him I'm going to record you.
Yeah.
Okay. If he does something that he can't explain away to the medics might take him. Okay. But other than that, there's really nothing the police can do about it. Okay. He hasn't broken any laws. I don't want it to go that far either. So, you say he's never been violent. He's never been.
Well, he has been violent in the past. He's choked me and stuff. But recently, that hasn't happened.
Well, if that happens again, then it's something that's enforceable. It's actionable.
No, I know, but he knows that he
knows it. It seems like he knows that, and he seems like he knows what to say to the medics. I mean, if you were in fear of your safety, I would say go get an order of protection, something like that. But I mean,
I tried to do that the other day, but they won't give me anything because there hasn't been any.
Because there's no history.
There's no threatening thing in the last few days.
You have to have a history. Yeah, because they have to be able to, justify it. What I'll do, there's one pawn shop in town. There's actually 2 pawn shops in town. I'll go there now, and I'll see if anybody with his name. I have his name on the computer.
Okay.
It's something Hall. Christopher Hall.
Christopher Hall. It's my whole entire jewelry box.
Okay. I'll see if Christopher Hall has pawned anything. The charging block. Okay, so it looks like he went to Boulevard Coin, and he went to Sterling and Knight. Okay?
So I'm going to treat them?
I'm going to treat it because you had all this stuff before you were married. So it's yours.
Yes.
Okay. That's big. Because if it was acquired during marriage, it's marital property.
The jewelry box he gave me, but...
Okay. Well, they have 4 rings at... how many rings were in there?
Mama!
Is this him right here?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, perfect.
I had, I don't know, probably 8 or 9 rings in there.
Okay.
I don't even know.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab the evidence real quick.
Okay, hold on.
Take a break.
Talk to me first.
Get back to it.
All right, so I already went to Boulevard Boulevard and Sterling and Knight.
Did you talk to St. Charles Police? They're picking up Mike Pacey.
No.
She's been drugging my child with Genexa. It's an allergy medication
Okay.
to get him to go to sleep.
Hold on.
1005
So let's talk about the first thing first.
Okay.
Okay. Do you still have her jewelry box?
Yeah. It's in my car.
It's in her car?
Yeah.
What about the jewelry?
It's in there.
Okay, minus the rings that you
Yes.
pawned?
Exactly.
Okay, all right. Can you do me a favor and go grab it, and so she could just inventory it real quick?
Yeah.
Besides the 4 rings, what else did you pawn?
Nothing.
Just the 4 rings?
Yep.
How much did they give you, if you don't mind me asking?
280.
Christopher Hall arrives appearing calm and coherent, typical of individuals with mental illness who can present normally during brief police interactions. He admits pawning rings but claims joint ownership. The wife identifies missing items, including her grandmother's ring from before marriage. Officers mediate a temporary separation agreement within the residence. The situation escalates when police receive a second call. The wife attempted retrieving jewelry from her husband's vehicle, and he allegedly grabbed and pulled her hand away.
Okay, so there's an issue with that because we don't know. I still got to look into the law as far as whether it's marital property or not.
All of my earrings are missing too.
They're all in there.
Okay.
Other than that, they're all
Yes, they are. They're all in there.
All right, all right. So I have to do a little bit of digging in the law to see what's considered marital property or not.
Right.
She says that those rings and the, I don't know, whatever is
Everything's
missing.
ours, so I mean, it's split down 50-50. We're getting a divorce. She's been cheating on me the whole time we've been together. She cheated with the neighbor. She's an adulteress, and I want her gone.
Okay. Well, this is her home. I can't make her do that.
Okay.
Okay. My biggest concern is for the well-being of both parties.
Right.
Okay. She said that you were recently given some new medications.
Come on, man. Just
No,
stop that knife from you.
no, absolutely not.
Last time you had like a 6-inch.
Well, that's because it was my birthday, or not my anniversary that night.
So, are
All
you
of
taking your meds?
Yes.
There's a lot of stuff
Okay.
missing.
There's nothing else missing.
Okay. Are you taking your medication?
Yes.
Okay. She's saying that she has no idea what you're talking about, drugging the child to go to sleep or
Well, I
whatever.
can show it to you. Can I show it to you?
What are you going to... Wait,
come
before you go in, what are you going to show?
I'm going to show you the bottle of Genexa, it's called.
I don't
It's
know
an
what-
allergy medication. It's not to put children to sleep. She's been using it. I watched him get sick one time in front of me.
Okay.
Throw up.
Okay.
She's abusing our child. She smacked him. She's done a lot of horrible things, just like my mother.
So, when I asked her earlier if you guys were trying to make it work or make the relationship work, she doesn't sound as concerned about dissolving the marriage as you are right
Yes.
now. So, you're saying that you guys are in the midst of a divorce?
She needs to go. I'm tired.
I can't make her
I
go,
know,
and
I
she's
know.
got a child,
We got to
okay?
be amicable in some way.
Exactly.
I understand that. I know
Okay.
it's domestic.
So, I will document what you're saying about that.
Okay.
She's saying she has no idea. There's no need
Okay.
to show me what the bottle is.
Okay.
Because she's saying she has no idea what you're talking about.
Okay.
My concern, first and foremost, is the well-being of everybody here,
I agree.
specifically the child.
Yes.
Okay. As for the jewelry, okay, if I check the law, and the law says that you can't sell stuff that didn't belong to you prior to the marriage,
Under the theft charge?
you'll probably get a theft charge.
No worries.
Okay.
I'll take that.
Yeah, my grandmother's ring is gone.
Okay. Well, here. Where's the grandma's ring?
Got the pawn shop.
Okay. Listen to me. We'll work on getting that back. Okay?
And there's a bunch of earrings and stuff missing.
Okay.
Everything's in there except for the 4 rings.
They're all gone.
Okay. Well, I don't know. I can't say if they were. Okay, I'll document that you're saying earrings are gone, but I know there's 4 rings at the pawn shop right now.
Mama.
Okay?
You'll get them back. Don't worry.
Yeah, after we've jumped through a bunch of hoops.
I know.
Okay? So don't touch your stuff anymore. If you guys are going to get a divorce, but let's be civil.
Okay.
Okay?
You got it.
You don't appear to be acting out of sorts to me, being somebody that's just met you 5 seconds ago. Okay? Are we going to be okay leaving here, or is there going to be a problem with any kind of violence? Or okay? Don't touch your stuff anymore. My advice to you is secure that somewhere else where he can't get it. Okay?
You had upstairs a room yourself? Is that what you said?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. So we separate different areas of the house for the rest of the day at least?
Yep. 100%.
All right, I'm going to write everything up. Thanks. I appreciate you talking to me.
I appreciate you guys.
I'll be in touch with as far as what's going to happen with the rings.
Okay.
And if it does come down to criminal charges, in lieu of getting a warrant for you, I'll just tell you to come in.
Yeah. No
Okay?
problem. I'll come in.
All
No
right.
problem.
If he takes my son, what do I do?
Report it.
Trying to make your own case.
Okay, you guys are married. You guys are
I know.
co-parent.
Trying to make your own case.
You know?
He's not right in the head, so if he takes him, I'm scared.
Okay. Well, here. This incident's going to be reported. Okay. So this incident might be enough to get some sort of an order, restraining order against him. Okay, especially if that's one of your concerns.
Like I just have to take this to the courthouse and be like, this is the case number or something?
That's the
like
case number on the back of there. Obviously, I got to do the report.
that? Right.
Okay. So, and I'll put in there that you believe these office meds and the new medication is making him a little loopy. But I mean, he seems okay, but he could just be a good actor. So
You know-
most people that are seriously mental, they can't hide it.
He, if you spent a half an hour with him, you would
At 41 West St. Charles.
I'll tell you exactly. So we just got a call now that said you grabbed her or something.
No, she just tried to take money out of my. I have no idea what is wrong. Why does she keep calling?
That's just what she literally just told us. So I haven't even been back over there yet. But I saw you on the skateboard, right? So obviously, you don't want us to just believe whatever she says, right? You want us to talk to you. So what happened, or did anything happen?
She's been drugging my kid with Genexa, dude. It's like an allergy medicine to make him go to sleep. I watch him get sick and puke, and she smacks him like my mom. I can't be around her. She triggers me and makes me like bipolar.
Well, what happened? Well, what happened just now? Like, cause we just
She
left.
just went into my car and started like trying to steal money out of my car. I was like, "What are you doing?"
Okay.
Yeah. I'm like, "You need to get out of my car." Period.
Okay. And then what happened? No, I'm just trying to figure it out, man. I don't know. I haven't even
She
talked
reached
to
for
her.
my money. I took the money out. But
Okay, that's it.
that's it.
The other officer's heading there now to talk to her. But I was gonna go talk to both you guys, but I saw you on your skateboard.
Yeah.
So obviously I have to get your side. I can't just believe what somebody else says.
Right.
26, no answer on the
Yeah.
door.
So they're gonna go talk to her and we'll get it all sorted out.
Okay.
What happened?
So we have dog food, raw dog food, and this is stupid, but it's in the freezer all the time and it needs to be defrosted. And I opened the freezer and there was no dog food in there, which is like weird.
Okay.
And he was going outside and I just asked him, I wasn't even gonna talk to him about anything that happened, I just simply wanted to know, where's the dog food? Because it's expensive and like you have to go to the store to get it right now if we don't have any. And he's like, it's in my car. And I said, well, why is it in your car? He's like, I was trying to defrost it. I'm like, an entire bag? Because you only take a couple out at a time.
Okay.
So he was on the driver's side, and I walked to the back of the car because the back, you could see it, it's still open. Oh, it wasn't open, now he closed it.
Don't leave your phone.
It was open, so I went to look in the back of the car to see if it was in there because I wanted to put it back in the freezer. And it wasn't in there, and then I opened up the driver or the passenger side to get in there, and I saw like some of my jewelry and stuff sitting on the ground, so I started to pick it up, and he's like, get out of there, get out of there. And I opened up the console to see if there was more of my jewelry in there, and he's like, get the out of there, and he grabbed my hand, and he's like pulling me out of the car. And I was like, but it's marital assets, right? Like, it's my stuff. So like, he shouldn't have put his hands on me, right?
Okay. We got him stopped down the road there. Are you injured at all?
My hand, he like grabbed my hand.
He grabbed your hand? Okay. All right, hang out here. All right, I'll be back.
How much money? What did she grab? Do you have the money on you? Is it just show?
Yeah, it was like $8 or something. She tried to grab this $5 and
Okay.
yeah, she tried to grab money.
Yeah.
It was like $8.
What was the issue that they were just there for?
Oh, that was because I made a call to St. Charles that she was over at Mike Pacey's house, this firefighter,
Retail
and
defender
he's been
holding.
sleeping with, and he's been giving her honey and all that stuff, and they've been Genexing him up and then having sex. I found the bottle on the sink when I walked into my bathroom, so I know that she gave it to him. And
That sucks, man.
yeah, dude, like what the drugging my child, smacking my child. I mean, it's just.
I meant just I'm gonna say I believe you because I have no reason for you to lie to me. Just to Christopher, if she's cheating you, that sucks.
Yeah, she's doing it the whole time.
Dude, that sucks.
She slept with the neighbor even.
Here?
Yeah, across the street from my house.
Like right now? This guy there?
I went to Oregon to visit my grandma, and they slept together.
All right, what happened at the house?
She just tried to take money. I just took it out of her hand. That's it. End of story.
Money.
Yeah, she tried to grab
Jewelry.
$8.
Jewelry.
Just $8. That's all it
Jewelry.
was.
She said it was jewelry.
No, there's no jewelry. There's no more jewelry. I gave her back the box.
Okay, what about the jewelry that was in the car?
There is no more jewelry in the
She
car.
said there was jewelry in the car.
She's lying. 100%. Point blank.
So you grabbed something out of her hands?
Yeah, $8.
$8.
Yes.
Cash out of her
Cash.
hands.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I just saw him skateboarding, so obviously I haven't been over there yet either.
No, I know. I talked to her.
Okay. So
I talked to her. Okay, here. Unfortunately, she has a different story than you. She says that she was picking up jewelry and that she reached to open up the center console and that you grabbed her hand, but you hurt her hand. Okay?
Okay.
So that's considered domestic battery.
That is?
Yep.
Okay.
So you're under arrest for domestic battery. Doesn't necessarily have to cause injury, but it's insulting and provoking.
Christopher provides a different version, claiming she tried taking money under Illinois statute 720 ILCS 512.3.2. Domestic battery includes any insulting or provoking physical contact between family members. Injury is not required. Officers arrest Christopher Hall for domestic battery based on the unwanted physical contact. This illustrates how domestic violence laws, designed for victim protection, can be triggered by minor contact during property disputes within the context of mental health crises. The responding officers receive a B grade. They correctly identified legal limitations, conducted proper investigation, and maintained professionalism. However, greater emphasis on mental health resources could have prevented escalation. The arrest, while legally justified, might have been avoided with different intervention strategies. Christopher Hall receives a D grade. While mental health challenges deserve compassion, pawning his wife's inherited jewelry created unnecessary conflict. His physical intervention when she tried retrieving property escalated to criminal conduct. Refusing medication and making unfounded accusations worsened the situation. The wife receives a B+. She appropriately sought help and clearly articulated complex issues. While her attempt to retrieve property was understandable, it created the confrontation leading to arrest. Her overall restraint and proper documentation through legal channels demonstrate good judgment under extreme stress. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, 48H Solves Cases, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.